Okay, so this is my big digging project. This is our sewer line down there that need to be changed. This is about 1.5 meters deep, I think. But the main trouble is that there is this small hill here with a lot of rocks and the concrete thing on top of it. So the plan is to dig under it, maybe to use some wooden boards to support it meanwhile. And another suspicion is that this part of the house might not have a so it might have to dig under the house as well, under this part of the house as well, because I think it's used to be a porch or something. So we'll see how it goes. So 2 days of work and I dug a big hole here.